Every year, schools pay hundreds of thousands of dollars for their cleaning, and often they are far from satisfied with the service they are or are not receiving. Hi, my name is Willem Flack. I'm the CEO of iClean Facility Services. Some years ago, I had an interesting experience with the business manager, let's call him Tom, and the property manager, let's call him Bruce, at a school here in Melbourne. They asked me for a quote to clean the school as they were very unhappy with their current provider. Among the reasons they listed were 1. Inconsistency in the cleaning standards and constant complaints from teachers. 2. A high turnover of cleaners, so they had no idea who was on campus. 3. Poor or little communication from the company managers and supervisors. And 4. Constantly increasing costs. When I submitted our quote, Tom was delighted as he could see we were around 12% lower than their current costs. But Bruce was sceptical and was reluctant to break the status quo, even though he was tired of all the complaints. Bruce said, "Willem, I simply don't believe you could provide a better service at a lower price." And I get it. I'm a natural skeptic myself. As a CEO, I always have people calling, trying to sell me cheaper chemicals, equipment, and other services. However, unless they can give me some pretty solid reasons to change my current provider, I won't change. The last thing I want to do is jump from the frying pan into the fire. Fortunately, Tom and Bruce allowed me to explain the iClean 7 pillars and how by rigorously applying these 7 pillars, we are able to provide a superior cleaning service at a lower price and then pass these savings on to our clients. Like 7 pillars holding up a Greek temple, these pillars form the foundations of how we compete and win with the plethora of cleaning companies out here in the marketplace. Here then is a very brief outline of the 7 iClean pillars. Pillar 1 is find good people. I know a competitor whose recruiting strategy is to ask their current cleaners if they know anybody who wants a job. That's asking for trouble. We have an exhaustive process for finding the right people to join our cleaning teams. It's not easy, especially in the current post-COVID environment, but it is worth it. Pillar 2, provide a comprehensive induction and training program. And that doesn't mean throw the keys at the cleaner and say, good luck. All our cleaners must complete a detailed induction and training course before we allow them onto a site. When we do get to a site, we do another specific induction and ongoing training for that specific site. Pillar 3, provide a clear scope of works and check sheets to the cleaners and clearly explain and articulate what good performance looks like. Putting time into preparing and reviewing the scope of works can save a school thousands of dollars. The reality in school cleaning is that 20% of cleaning tasks make 80% of the difference. I constantly see cleaning specifications that could be scaled back or modified and save a school thousands of dollars. If you'd like a free, no obligation review of your current cleaning specifications, please get in touch with me on 0422 868 950. That's 0422 868 950. Pillar 4. Provide the very best tools to do the job. Cleaning equipment has come a long way over the years. New and technologically advanced equipment can significantly reduce cleaning times and therefore costs to the client. The great mantra in the cleaning industry is this: that's the way we've always done it. That's a huge mistake. Let me give you just one example. Every cleaning company in Melbourne uses communication books for recording complaints and responses. Communication books get misplaced, they get lost and damaged, and often the cleaners don't even reply. We no longer use communication books. There's a much better and effective way. Pillar 5, hold your cleaners accountable. We know from 21 years of experience that 90% of problems arise from cleaners not spending the time that they've been allocated on site. That is why all our cleaners must log in and log out of every shift using the QR code that we provide on site. We are able to monitor all our cleaners in real time. As Dave, one of my account managers, likes to say, Everybody drives better with a police car in the rearview mirror. Pillar 6 is conduct regular audits. Whatever gets measured can be improved. If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. Regular audits are critical to maintaining a high level of cleanliness in any school. Our on-site supervisors conduct an audit at the end of every clean, and our account managers conduct a more detailed audit no less than once a month. Pillar 7 is provide great leadership on site. In addition to the 7 pillars, we have 10 core values at iClean. They drive everything we do. In fact, we treat them so seriously, they're on the back of all our business cards. One of our core values at iClean is to catch people doing things right. We believe that whatever gets rewarded gets repeated. This is in stark contrast to the seagull managers employed by many of our competitors. What's a seagull manager? A seagull manager is a manager who tends to ignore their cleaners until the client complains. Then they fly in, they make a lot of noise, they crap all over everybody, and then they fly out again. They believe this will improve performance. You and I know better. We want our leaders and our supervisors spending most of their time catching our cleaners doing what's right, rather than just criticising them for what they're doing wrong. Anyway, in the end, Tom and Bruce were prepared to give us a trial run, and I'm pleased to say that 5 years later, we are still cleaning that school and look forward to continue our partnership for years to come. If you'd like to know more about the 7 pillars, or you simply want to have a chat as to how we may be able to help you with your next cleaning tender, simply contact me on the email below or call me personally on 0422 868 950. That's 0422 868 950. Thank you for taking the time out of your day. I look forward to meeting you at some time in the future.